Hi everyone, Mitchell here from Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're diving into EOS Energy Enterprises, ticker EOSE, an innovative leader in long-duration energy storage with its proprietary zinc-based Z3 battery technology designed for grid-scale applications. As of January 14, 2026, shares are trading around $4.12, up roughly 8% this week, with a market cap of approximately $720 million. The stock continues to show momentum and growing demand for reliable energy storage solutions. Key recent updates: EOS announced a major expansion of its manufacturing capacity and secured additional orders, adding over $150 million to its backlog. The company also highlighted progress toward full commercial scaling of the Z3 platform, positioning it strongly in the renewable energy transition. This is not financial advice. Always conduct your own research. If you enjoyed this quick update, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.